Welcome to our channel. Today we how to enable EV charging with ChargePoint Home Flex step by step clearly. Begin by gathering all necessary equipment, including the ChargePoint Home Flex charger and its installation manual. Check to ensure that your electrical panel can support the additional load of the charger. Locate a suitable installation site where your electric vehicle will be parked. If necessary, confirm local building codes and regulations regarding EV charger installations. Carefully unpack the ChargePoint Home Flex charger and inspect all components for any damage. Mount the charger on a wall or post using the provided hardware, ensuring it's securely fastened. Connect the power supply wires to the charger according to the installation manual, following the color-coded instructions. Ensure proper grounding is implemented to avoid electrical hazards. For Wi-Fi connectivity, choose a strong and stable network for the charger during setup. Download the ChargePoint app on your smartphone from the App Store or Google Play Store. Create a ChargePoint account or log in if you already have one. Follow the in-app instructions to connect the charger to your Wi-Fi network. Once connected, make sure to configure any charging settings according to your preferences, such as charge scheduling and notifications. Plug the charger into your vehicle's charging port for the first time. Monitor the initial charging session through the app to confirm everything is working properly. If needed, adjust the amperage settings in the app for optimal charging speed based on your home's electrical capacity. Regularly check for software updates in the app to ensure your charger operates efficiently. Enjoy the convenience of charging your electric vehicle at home with the ChargePoint Home Flex. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.